In this video, we're going to look at how to update your MT5 on Android. Sometimes you have to do this manually, sometimes it's done automatically depending on the settings that you actually have on your phone. So to get the best out of your MetaTrader 5, you constantly need to make sure that it's updated. But sometimes it also comes with its own set of problems. When you update sometimes to the latest version, then you actually start having problems with your MetaTrader 5 app. I needed to just say that on out, but this is how you update your MetaTrader 5 app on Android. So what you're going to do is to just click on or tap on the app, keep holding, and you see the pop-up that says app info. You just tap on that. Then you are going to go to the advanced, and here you are going to find where it says app details, app installed from Google Play Store. So you can simply just tap on this and it will bring you to the Google Play Store. Then you can either uninstall or you can update your MetaTrader 5 on Android. Leave a like and subscribe. See you in the next one.